welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about words that start with the letter K. The sound is K and the letter is K. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for king. K, king. K is for kitten. K, kitten. K is for key. K, key. K is for koala. K, koala. K is for kiwi. K, kiwi. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. K is for kick. K, kick. K is for kayak. K, kayak. K is for kids. K, kids. K is for kettle. K, kettle. K is for ketchup. K, ketchup. K is for kitchen. K, kitchen. K is for kit. K, kit. K is for kind. K, kind. K is for kennel. K, kennel. K is for keyboard. K, keyboard. Thank you for watching.